Hi there, Agile testing enthusiasts. I'm Chris and I'm excited to invite you on a journey to cleaner, more efficient code. Encountering code smells in your test automation? It's time to address them. Join me at Sniffing Out and Squashing Code Smells at Agile Testing Days 2024. This workshop is your deep dive into refining and enhancing your code. With real-life examples, I guide you to identify, understand, and fix common code issues. Improve your test scripts' efficiency and readability through practical exercises. Bring your laptop, your curiosity, and participate in this transforming workshop. Are you ready to make your code maintenance smoother and more intuitive? Don't miss out. Register now and take the first step towards mastering good coding practices. See you there.